Hello Philippines, this is Isaiah Kinikito Jr., your Mr. Island Tourism Philippines 2025 representing Santa Catalina, Negros Oriental. Tala, manglaag ta sa Santa. Welcome to Talalak Peak in Santa Catalina, a point that offers stunning views of Negros Oriental's natural beauty. This majestic peak is not only a popular hiking destination, but also a place that highlights the serenity and the rich landscape of the region. Banana farming thrives in Talalak, where one of the largest banana plantations in Negros Oriental. Santa Catalina is also called the land of the waterfalls, a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Santa Catalina is a haven for those seeking adventure and tranquility, the sounds of rushing water and the cool mist. Santa Box offers unique attraction, giant swing, halwa ride, spider web, and bird's nest. Come, let's walk to the trails, observe the monkey on their natural habitats, experience the magic of Santa Catalina's untamed paradise, the Monkey Sanctuary. Welcome to the Mangrove Sanctuary of Santa Catalina. As you step the watchtower with 800 meters boardwalk, grab a kayak and glide through the waters, paddling your way into the heart of the sanctuary. Santa Catalina, the proud surfing capital of Negros Oriental.